The driver who executes an unsafe left turn is usually at fault for a subsequent collision. However, other parties may be at fault for an Indiana left turn accident, depending on the particular circumstances at play. In Indiana, determining fault in a left turn accident is not always cut and dry. The behavior of the oncoming driver might shift the blame away from the left-turning driver if they were. 1. Speeding. If the driver coming from the opposite direction exceeded the speed limit or otherwise drove recklessly, they might be found partially or entirely at fault for the accident. 2. Running a red light. A driver who failed to stop as directed would be at fault if they collided with a driver making a lawful left turn. 3. Passing illegally. If the oncoming vehicle illegally passed another car when the left turn crash occurred, its driver may be held responsible. 4. Taking sudden and unexpected action. If the oncoming car suddenly swerved or took evasive actions that made it impossible for the left-turning driver to avoid a collision, the responsibility could shift to the oncoming driver. 5. Failed to yield. The driver approaching the intersection might fail to yield even if the left-turning driver has a protected green arrow. This failure to yield can make them at fault. What is the left turn law in Indiana? Here's how Indiana's left turn laws apply in certain common scenarios. Turning left at an intersection. A driver turning left at an intersection must yield the right of way to any vehicle within the intersection or close enough to be an immediate hazard. Left turn on red. A driver can make a left turn on a red light when entering from a one-way street onto another one-way street unless posted signs prohibit such turns. Left turn from a two-way street. When turning left from a two-way street onto another two-way street, a driver must yield to oncoming traffic and only proceed when it is safe. In Indiana, the statute of limitations for filing a personal injury claim is generally 2 years from the date of the accident. Failure to meet this deadline may result in losing your right to pursue compensation for your losses. That's why it's important to speak with an experienced Indiana left turn accident lawyer. Contact us or visit our website.